Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here, Team I Fix It All. So this is my life most of the time. I'm probably zoomed in. Let me unzoom. Yep, I hope I'm not zoomed in too far. This is what I gotta do. I don't even know if I can't even see myself. But this is what I gotta do to make a cat happy. Maybe if I flip the screen around. I can't get to it now. Hang on. Let's see if I can do this. See how talented Pa is. Booky, please. I've got to... I don't know what we're doing. Hey, say hi to YouTube. Alright. Trying to flip the screen around. I'm going to delete this video because I just screwed everything up. Booky, would you stop with the shenanigans? Jesus. I don't know if I'm filming anything. I just know that I have a cat. And he's so codependent. Hope you're happy. Might as well throw it up on YouTube. See ya.